Alright, I'm doing a burp thing, and this is a gassy man. I'm gonna shake it up real good before I drink it, and try to get you big burps. Hope, and I hope you sexy girls like burps. I hope some of y'all got burp fetish and want to contact me or text me anything you want to see me do. Alright, here we go. Whoa, that's easy. That's cool. Let's see how long I can fart. Well, that's it for now. Tune in next time I do something. Alright, see you later, YouTubers. And contact on Tristan Coop. And subscribe me if you know. Bye.